What's up, guys? Back with another video here. I normally don't do videos like this, but I picked up this bag the other day for my iPad Pro. It's an Atarax bag. It normally goes for about, I think, 23 bucks on Amazon. I'm going to drop a link down below where you can grab it. But it's pretty thin, as you can see. It's not really thick. I think you can put a 13-inch MacBook or something in here. But I got it for about 17 bucks, 17 or 18 bucks. I thought it was a pretty good deal. The reason why I got it is because I'm going to show you in a minute. This is all the stuff that I carry. You got to carry the charging brick if you're going to use this. Like, I've been using it as a laptop since the day I bought it. I use SSH. I got my photo editing. I got everything on here. So I've been using it as if a real laptop. And you got a few compartments here. I keep my Apple Pencil, the new Apple Pencil, in here normally if I'm traveling. Every now and again, I'll keep it inside. It'll just depends on what I'm doing. And then here, I got a Pitaka carbon fiber regular pen, in case I do have to write on something. And let's see what else we got. We got a MyCharge battery bank. This is wireless charging. So if I need to flip it on, there you go. And then I can put my iPhone XS Max on there. Boom, she starts charging. My only complaint about this MyCharge, it's great, is that they didn't make it USB-C, but highly recommended otherwise. It is, trying to get the battery, it's 18,000 kilowatt hours. It's highly recommended though. It's MyCharge, which means it's got a nice warranty behind it and whatnot. And then I got these pockets here. You can probably guess that I keep a little USB-C to Lightning cable charger in case I want to charge my iPhone wired. Because the iPad, sorry, I got tongue twisted. The iPad can charge, and this is the regular USB-C to USB-C iPad charging cable that goes with the fast charging brick. Simply plug it in, find your power outlet, and boom. And then, last but not least, well, there is a pocket here that you could put something in, some papers or something like that. Personally, I don't have anything in there right now, and then that's how it would look. So it's got plenty of room in there, really. You could put two iPads in there, or you could put, like I said, a small laptop, maybe your new MacBook Air. And then I pop out this, and then it's depending on how I'm carrying it. Like I said. So this one is, I have it on the keyboard case as of now. And this is how I've been using it for the last, I want to say, week with this bag. I carry it around, and if I need it, it just made more sense, because this way I could carry a few more things. I mean, this part stays, it does stay, but when you're carrying it around, normally you're going to carry it like this, and it can, see if I move my hand, it can come off, it can. And you want to be able to carry it. And with this bag, at least you can drop it like this, and you can carry it. You can actually carry the bag, and you don't got to worry about the Apple Pencil falling down. And let's say you're going to run out of battery, you don't have to worry about that, because you can carry your charger with you if you want to carry that with you. Like I said, I carry this Zero Lemon cable here. It's actually a power delivery cable. And I carry this MyCharge little battery bank that's wireless charging as well. And I carry a regular, this is a Pitaka carbon fiber pen. I'll try to link everything here down below. That way you guys can grab it if you do like it. I just wanted to do a short little video and show you guys this is what I've been using basically for a week. And I've been using the iPad itself since the day it launched. I haven't touched my laptop since. It's pretty cool, I must admit. I might do a video on that in a little bit, but we'll see. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, share it around, you know the deal. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Peace.